What's up, everyone? So I'm gonna go about making Yin Yang just a bit different from they did in the mini video animads that I came across on Facebook. And I'll be showing this there, so I just wanna go ahead and mention that. Here we have it. I've lowered the opacity 33, locked in place. I'm gonna make two more. This one's gonna be for lights. And this one's going to be a working layout. Didn't know already. Rulers, control R. Yo. Rulers. Guides layer. And okay, surrendering. That's centered as well. So let's get started on our working layout. Make our first circle here. Uh, Alright. Now you can go ahead and make copy like so. And because this is a vector, I'm gonna actually make it visible. That way we can get better look at it. And I know you're wondering, where did everything else go? I have not given it a stroke. Let's see the main circle. That's too thick for me. I'm just gonna make it half of that. So 0.5. Be a bit more like it is without the actual lines itself. And now we have this one. A better look here. The object, excuse me, edit, copy. It's the place. Now we have another one. It's gonna be black. Clearly. So now we have to make another circle and another one. And we're perfectly fine. Let's go ahead. Give this the exact same stroke. Just so you can see it better. 2.5. Get rid of our guides. The main things we want. be aware of. Uh, is these two intersecting? If they intersect, they can't overlap. They have to be in the same spot. So, I see 2 points and not one. They're not intersecting at all. Gonna make it easy to see. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Seems right. They also need to be intersecting the main circle, so let's go ahead and zoom out. It's important. Yep. And we'll check the bottom as well. Let's go back inside. This can actually be black. Let's go ahead and choose a draw selection tool, not a direct selection tool. Select everything. Over here, your shape builder. Go ahead and change this. White. We're gonna leave the stroke though. Go ahead and select this one. No stroke. Let's go ahead and zoom out and see the outside. As you can see, me and this seems to be off. And that's probably gonna be due to the stroke. Oh, we'll go ahead and add it. Oh, they do. Let's go back up here because they were fine before that. Why it does that? I don't know. It's weird. Just go ahead and get rid of it. And for the heck of it, so that we can see. We change this one to inside. Check up here. Looks better. Yeah, that's how I would go about it. Simply using only ellipses. We don't need actual lines. We can just have perfect circles. That's just what I wanted to show. Just this different way to go about it, using just ellipses rather than using lines that did in the video. I'm not saying this is better. I like this way better personally. But I mean, pretty much you work with what works best for you, what you feel is best for you, how you work. That's what I mean. And whatever you can get it done faster, because the people you work for are gonna want you to get stuff done fast. That's all I wanted to share with everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the video overall. So, find it helpful? Let me know. If not, oh well. Adios, everyone, and have a good one.